you want a picture together?
Twins.
You said so. I didn't say anything.
That was a little bizarre. Never heard of spoon feeding eels.
Oh God.
Wow. No, here comes his friend.
Don't do this.
I just want to know how to do. So here we have Paulina, whatever, making Polish potato salad. She has in the pot, or the bowl already, a celeriac, which I know nothing about, I've never used it. Potato, turnip, carrot, and a leek. And all the root vegetables she boiled pretty much whole until they're soft. And I guess it's very important that you don't cut them up before you boil them, because they don't taste right otherwise. And there she has like Dijon mustard, mayonnaise, and is that corn?
Yeah, and pickles.
And pickles.
And eggs.
And eggs. You have to do boiled eggs. And is that it? No seasonings or anything?
Seasoning.
What kind of seasonings?
Salt, pepper.
Salt, pepper. Is that it? Okay. Her amazing cutting technique. I'm very impressed. Now what is she going to do? Oh, she's putting it in the bowl as well. I wouldn't have guessed that was going to happen. I wonder what happens now. Oh my God, she went for another carrot. Shit. This is so exciting.
Thank you. Come on. Come on.
Where are we, Paulina? Okay, it rhymes with Kaikoura.
We are just burning New Zealand.
Yeah, so we are in Kaikoura. Having a fire.
There is many seals.
Yes. So we're having a nice fire on the beach in Kaikoura. And Paulina grabbed that seaweed over there, not realizing it was a dead rabbit. Fucking hell. Right? What did you do? So yeah, we're having a fire building competition and Paulina failed completely. Obviously mine succeeded. Obviously. And then she's like, hey, we can put this in the fire. And I'm looking closer. I'm like, Paulina, that's a dead possum. She thought it was seaweed. Fuck. Good times.
Okay, jump.
No.
I'm taking a video.
All my clothes, no.
You can take off.
With all these people here.
Yeah, they are waiting for you.